So this video is for all e-commerce businesses, whoever that has an e-commerce business or is opening an e-commerce business and they want to scale and delegate tasks to their team. But maybe people will ask us, AccessOff main mission is to delegate tasks or to share access without sharing passwords, right? But why we want to use AccessOff to share access to Shopify if Shopify already has an accessibility management inside of it? And the answer is that all the e-commerce businesses are not suffering from sharing access, but they're suffering from customizing the access. So let's start by logging in and we're gonna get back to this. So as we were saying, that people with e-commerce businesses are not suffering from sharing access to their Shopify shops, but they're facing an issue with the accessibility customization, the control of the access. Because whenever you go to Shopify and you open a store on it, you're stuck with certain rules. So you can invite users, yes, 100%, and password free. It's super safe. But what is really bad here is that you're stuck with certain roles. As you can see here, whenever you go to settings, users, you're stuck with two main roles. The first one is admin, and the second one is a point of sale user, where you're stuck with these roles, and under each role we have a lot of pages, access, and tasks where you cannot do anything with it. And the main thing here is that AccessOff surpass this limitation. Whenever you go to AccessOff and you open your Shopify on it, you go and set up your account. So you press on the icon here. So you name it, for example, AccessOff Shopify. You select the group of, for example, demo, and you invite the right people. And here is the thing. So you can restrict access to your profile, for example, the orders. So many people told us that they want to delegate tasks for their team members, but they don't want to show them the orders. They want for them to add products, to go to the customers, to the marketing, add discounts, whatever, but they don't want them to track their orders and track their sales. So AccessOff can do that, however, Shopify accessibility cannot do this. And here is the solution. So you can go and disable the orders, or as simple as you can go and block the URL. So for example, you go and add the URL, you go to orders and copy the URL on the top and paste it here, where you can even block the whole page. So you have two ways of solving this problem. So if the thing that you want to disable is not in the checkboxes here, you can just go to the page, copy the URL and paste it here in order to block the whole page. And then you just save. So here, after you save it, you're gonna see the limited version that you created and you delegated to your team is now ready. So mainly, we disabled two main things. The first one is orders. So no one, as you can see here, I'm pressing on orders, but it's not opening, it's not doing anything. But I can go to products, for example, and it will open the list of products here, where the one that's been delegated access to can go to any account. And the other thing is the account, so the profile. It cannot be shared. So for example, I'm pressing on it and it's not clickable. So this is how you can customize access and delegate access to your Shopify stores and control the full access and mainly your security, safety, and your privacy.